National clinical trial is underway for a drug that doctors say could revolutionize the care they can give to people suffering from strokes. A hospital on the Peninsula is playing a key role in the study. Our Max Darrow introduces us to the first patient who signed up for this trial and shares why the man feels proud to play a part in it.
Good control.
With every step,
But I have to be conscious about it.
Arthur Lau breaks a better and better sweat.
You should see before you came in.
And then your arms will naturally swing.
His goal from every workout
Is to push me to this limit so that my brain can work better with my body.
Relax.
In May, Arthur had a hemorrhagic stroke, the type with a brain bleed, at 43 years old. The diagnosis was tough to imagine in the moment.
Am I hearing it right? Maybe I just misheard it.
Arthur got his diagnosis while being transported on Sutter Health's mobile stroke unit, effectively a hospital on wheels equipped with a CT scanner and team of stroke specialists. This is the only one of its kind in Northern California.
It was a much more advanced ambulance.
And on board, the team offered Arthur a chance to participate in a clinical trial
yes.
for a drug that could
Just
slow
my-
or stop the expansion of a brain bleed. It would be the first of its kind.
At that time, I'm thinking anything is good.
Dr. Ilana Spakoini says the drug is a blood clotting factor called Factor VII. It already exists, but it's primarily used to treat hemophiliacs.
Having a medication to treat brain bleeds would revolutionize the care that we can offer these patients. And if we're able to treat that patient even 1 minute faster, they're going to have a better outcome.
Sutter Health's Mills Peninsula Hospital here in Burlingame is one of 68 locations around the world that is participating in this clinical trial. But given the nature of how strokes work, the parameters of this trial are a little bit tricky.
With stroke, every minute matters. The goal in this trial, or the requirement, is to treat folks within 2 hours of onset. That is an extremely tight timeline for a clinical trial.
But Spakoini says their use of the mobile stroke unit is one of the key reasons why they can be a part of the trial.
So the mobile stroke unit allows us to get to patients quickly and at the scene identify that they're having a bleed and actually enroll them in the trial on scene.
They've enrolled 2 patients so far, both with great outcomes, according to Spakoini. Not a big enough sample size for definitive results yet, but a promising start.
Both have gone on to an acute rehab unit to continue to get aggressive physical therapy and occupational therapy.
Arthur has a long road ahead. His recovery has its ups and downs.
At the beginning, I can barely move my right arm.
Now he can lift it.
Every day, every other day, there is some new good surprise happen.
Arthur spends a lot of time thinking, and despite the cards he's been dealt, he considers himself lucky, and he's proud to play an important role in helping research that could save lives.
It's all about can other people get the benefit of this clinical trial and recover faster. And then if it worked for me, great.
Time will tell, and Arthur plans to take it one step at a time, with hope accompanying each one.
Researchers in this international clinical trial hope to enroll 860 patients. The study is expected to finish in 2028.